Namaskar. Welcome to my class Super Cavians powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter of class 5th English, that is My Shadow. In this chapter we will discuss that how the boys, how the girls, how the child react to his own shadow. You can see here in this image also one child, you can see he is just trying to escape from his own shadow. He don't know that this shadow is created by him only. So different reactions are there for the shadow among the children. So let's start discussing about my shadow. My shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him? It's more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So, in this first stanza, you can see I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. A shadow is something, the reflection of your own body, which is always with you. It always goes with you wherever you go, whether you go in, whether you go out, it is always with you. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. The child is thinking that there is no use of this shadow. What more can I use? Only just I can see my shadow. Otherwise, there is no use of it. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. He is just looking like me from the heels up to the head. He is just looking like me. Means he is the just reflection, xerox of yourself. From the heels to the head, from the heels to the head, he is just looking like you. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Whenever I am trying to jump into my bed, the shadow is already there jumping before me because the light is faster than anything else. And as shadow is a reflection created by light, that's why the shadow is before you all the time whenever you are trying to jump into the bed. The next stanza, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up the taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. The funniest thing about him or about the shadow is the way he likes to grow. Suddenly it grows to a particular length. You can see here in the image, the length is little bit longer than the actual size of the humans. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. The growth of children, hardly a child's growth is 3-4 centimeter in a year. But the shadow, it is very fast. It is not slow as the growth of children. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. Sometimes in the morning or in the evening, the shadow is like a ping pong ball. Its growth in a heavy higher speed. You can see the tallest shadow in the morning, in the evening time. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. And sometimes it is very little. During the when the sun is at the top of our head, the time that shadow is very little. Just it is just under our leg. The next stanza. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. One morning, very early morning, before the sun was up, before the sunrise, when the child woke up, he just went and opened the window. He found that the shining dew, the dews are there on every buttercup. Buttercup is one type of flower, yellow flowers. There was drops of dew on every flowers. But that time also, my little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, I woke up, but the shadow is still on the bed, still lying on the bed. He stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. All the time he stayed at home only. All the time he stayed home behind me. Whenever I went outside also, sometime he remains in the room and was fast asleep in bed. He goes to sleep before me and he went up or wake up from the bed after me. Means the child is thinking that the shadow is so lazy here. Now coming to the new word section, Indian rubber ball, a ball that can bounce very high. It is nothing that the ping pong ball you might have seen, small size ping pong balls. Buttercup, a yellow flower is there. Errant, it's very bad. Errant sleepyhead means completely inattentive. Means the shadow was completely inattentive. It was very lazy. Now moving to the question answer section. Who do you think your shadow looks like? Who do you think your shadow looks like? I think my shadow looks exactly like me. Why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? The shadow is appears faster than light. That is why my shadow jumps into bed before I can. What time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is the tallest? Our shadow is the tallest in the morning because the sun rays are slanting at the time of sunrise. It is just parallel to us. That's why our shadow is tallest at that time. Read the lines from the poem and answer the following. Read the line. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. In this sentence, who does he refer to? Who is he here? He refers to the shadow here. Who does me refer to? Me refer to the boy here. Generally, the poet is here. Why are he and me alike? He and me are alike. Means the boy and the shadow are alike because they look exactly like each other. Then, what would you do if it's a clause questions? What you will do if a dog will chase you? You can write your own answer here. I am just giving some sample question answer here. If a dog chases me, I would not run. Instead, I will walk slowly or I will remain silent. Because if you will run, the dog will run faster than you. You have forgotten your homework copy at home. What you will do? If I would have forgotten my homework copy at home, I would apologize to my class teachers. I will say sorry to my teachers and I will promise to bring it next day. Means you have to tell the truth. You are alone in a room and the lights go out. What you will do? If I am alone in my room and the lights go out, I would light a candle. Fill in the blanks using one of the words given in the bracket. Where is the child? As parents have come to school. Whose parents have come to school? I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. The poem that you read out is so lovely. I know the street which he lives on. I like reading books that have pictures in it. The old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. Now, one description is there. What do you think is the name of the dog? You have to answer by watching this image. Here you can see a dog is there, one candle is there, some food items are there. The name of the dog is Mithu here. Why is she called that? Because she is called as Mithu because it is too sweet. What color is she? She is white in color. Do you think she is friendly? Yes, of course, she is friendly. What does she like to eat? She likes to eat bones. You can see here in this image also. So that's all for today's class. In the next class, we will come with another chapter. In case you have any queries, you can write directly at akm.kvs@gmail.com. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.